want to buy your property, you have the credit, you have the income, but you don't have the savings. What can you do? Here are a couple tips you can do today to find the money for the down payment and closing costs for the purchase of your primary home. The first thing you can do as a Florida resident is take full advantage of the Hometown Heroes program, which can offer you up to 5% of the purchase price to help you for your down payment or paying your closing costs. But keep in mind, this program is not here forever. As soon as the funds run out, it's gone. So I highly suggest you take full advantage of this as soon as possible. The second thing you could do, if you have a 401k account, you can withdraw money from your 401k account without any penalties to be able to put that money as the down payment for the purchase of your home. Talk to your 401k provider, but most likely you can pull out the majority of the contribution you've done throughout the years. The third thing you could do is to budget your monthly expenses and see where you can cut down the things you really don't need and calculate how much money you need for down payment and closing costs with how much money you can save month to month. And you're gonna find out how much time you need to save to be able to accumulate that down payment. And the last thing you can do to find the money is to get a gift from any family member, parents, brothers, grandmother, whoever loves you enough to be able to gift you the money for the down payment of your home. Any other questions you guys may have, do not hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.